Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Easy Max Trick World. If you want more classes and more trick, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Click the bell button. You want to come the notification instantly. Let's come to the topic. Today class going to alphabetic test. Which letter is 7th to right? 13th letter from the your left. இந்த question பார்க்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி I will give some tips and trick. First, this like chart 1 to write this like chart. This one A to Z numbers, right here left side numbers and right here right side numbers. இந்த மாதிரி கொஷின்ஸ் எக்ஸாம்ஸ் ஆல் கவர்மெண்ட் காம்படிட்டிவ் எக்ஸாம்ஸ்க்கு இந்த மாதிரி கொஷின்ஸ் ஆல்ஃபாபெட்டிக் டெஸ்ட் இந்த மாதிரி கொஷின்ஸ் 2-3 கொஷின்ஸ் கண்டிப்பாக வரும். ஃபஸ்ட் எக்ஸாமுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு ஒர்க் ஷீட் கொடுப்பாங்க. அந்த ஒர்க் ஷீட்டில் நம்ம ஈஸியாகவே இந்த ஆல்ஃபபெட்ஸ் இந்த மாதிரி எழுதி சார்ட் ரெடி பண்ணி வச்சுக்கிட்டா நம்மளுக்கு கண்டிப்பாக 2-3 மார்க்ஸ் உங்கள் பேக்கெட்டில் இருக்கும். கண்டிப்பாக சரியான ஆன்சர் உங்களால் கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும். A to Z இது left side 1 to 3 26 alphabet. Here right side 1 to 3 alphabet 26 alphabet. இன்னொரு ட்ரிக், இந்த சார்ட் இப்படி போடுறது பண்ணலாம். என்ஜோடி ட்ரிக் மீன்ஸ் இ ஃபார் 5 ஆல்ஃபாபெட்க்கு ஒரு ஸ்பெல்லிங்கு மைண்ட் கேல்குலேஷன் மைண்ட் ரிமெம்பர் புட் இன் யுவர் மைண்ட் என்ஜோடி திஸ் லைக் E for 5, J for 10, O for 15, T for 20, Y for 25. In the sums examples how to find this NJOT method I will explain you. Suppose you find the letter is the 7th from left means E is a 5 letter. F G is a 7th letter of the left. ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக you can find very easily and quickly. Let's see. The letter is 12th from the left. You want to 12th from the letter. NJOT method, it's very easily to find. ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம் லெட்டர்ஸ் என்ன எப்படின்னுட்டு. Now இப்போ 12th of the left, 12th from the left. You want to 12th from the left. NJOT method இது இந்த ட்ரிக் நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க எல்லாருமே. Note this trick. J is a 10 plus 2, 10th plus 2. Add J K L. 12th is a L is a answer. Now letter is a 15th of the left. Here 15th is a O is a answer. This like very easily find the letters, the alphabetic letters, very easily find the trick of the NJOT. Let's come to the sum. Now let's come to the sum. Which letter is the 7th from right, 13th letter from the left? இந்த sum பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி just have small rule, have this rule, note it. இந்த ரூல் எல்லாருமே நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, வெரி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டண்ட். When alphabetic letter right plus left, right left come alphabetic means add it come the final we check the alphabet left side. When alphabetic letter left plus right is there means we can add it. Come final we check the alphabetic side right side. When letter left is there means minus it and final it come check to the alphabet left side only. Now right means we can here minus it. Finally we check the alphabet right side. Now in the rule, very important, all of you guys note it. Question will be seventh to the right, 13th letter from the left. I have to show na left right left means what we do here plus it and finally we check the left side. See 7th from right plus 13th letter from the left, finally add it. 20th is a left, 20th the left, the alphabetic check it here left side, check it here left side. 20th is a answer is T. Here option is T. 20th left is a T. Dislike also check, or I will show you na NJOT. T is a 20th. This trick is a left side, this one. Left side. 20th left. 20th left means T. T is a right answer. Next question. Which letter will be the sixth right? Of the 18th letter from the right. Right means we will minus it. I will show the rule. Right means minus it and finally we check the right side. Now here 6 minus 18. 6 minus 18, 12. Here not taken any minus value or just minus it. 6 minus 18, 12. 12 from the right. 12 from the right. Check the alphabetic order. Here right 12th. See here right 12th is a O. Here option is a O is a right answer. Next question. If you like my video, if you like my classes, give one like and support me. Next question. Which letter will be 6th from 6 to the right? 6th to the right. Of the 11th letter from the right. This also 11th from the right. Right is there means minus it. No need to here sign minus sign, just minus it. 6 minus 11, 5th right. Check the alphabetic order. 5th right This is the right side. Fifth right is a V. V is the right answer. In option B, V is the right answer. Next, which letter will be 15th left? 15th left. The letter will be 8th letter from the left. This also left. Left means minus it. I will show the rule. Left means minus it and finally check the left side. Now minus it. 15 minus 8, 7th left. 7th is a left. Now see 7 alphabetic order, left 7th. 7th is a G. G is a right answer. NJOT, E is a fifth. NJOT method also we can find. E is a 5 letter. Now we want to 7 left. E, F, G. G is a right answer. This like also we find the answer. Tomorrow continue the class. Thank you. Keep on watching my channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's meet you another class. Interesting shortcut trick. All the best. Thank you.